Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. Today we are here for the discussion of solutions of Matrix Olympiad paper which was held on 29th of September 2024. So we will start from subject physics and class is 5th. Let us start our discussion. First question. In first question, it is said which type of force is involved while lifting up a book. So as we know that while we are lifting up a book, that means we are using a muscular force. So correct answer is option A. Next question. Question number 2. World Energy Conservation Day is celebrated on. So the correct answer is December 14th. So option D is correct answer. Next question. Question number 3. In question number 3, it is asked on which factor does the weight of an object depends. So we know that as weight is equals to mass of body multiplied by gravitational acceleration. So out of these 4 options, we can see the weight of object depends on mass. So correct answer is option C. Next question. Question number 4. In question number 4, it is an assertion reason question. So let us study, read this assertion portion. Energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. So this is a true statement. Energy cannot be created nor be destroyed. It can only be transformed from one form to another form. The reason is the only 10% energy from an organism is transferred to the next tropic level while the remaining is lost. This statement is also true, but this is not correct explanation of assertion A. So our correct answer will be option B, which says both assertion and reason are the true, but reason is not a correct explanation of assertion. Next question. Question number 5, which is a match the column 1 with column 2. So we have to match the quantities given in column 1 connecting in column 2. So car, tire and road. We know that between car, tire and road a force acts which is known as friction force. So for P, I will write it 3. We know that between iron and magnet there is a force acting which is known as magnetic force. So for Q, I will write 1. Floating boats. We know that any boat floats due to a force which is known as buoyant force. So for R option, I will write it 4. Gravity. As we know that gravity is a type of force which always act vertically downward. So for gravity, I will write 2. So our correct answer code will be 3142. So 3142, that means option C is our correct answer. Next question. Question number 6. Now the next 2 questions, number 6 and 7, are based on a paragraph. There is a paragraph given in which some conditions are given here, and on the basis of this paragraph, in question number 6, it is asked what energy does a windmill turn into? A windmill uses the kinetic energy of wind and converts into electrical energy. So our correct answer will be option C. Next question, question number 7. In question number 7, it is asked that Mupandal is a small village of, so it is a small village of a state known as Tamil Nadu, which is given in this paragraph also. So this was the discussion of physics part. For any other update or information regarding Matrix Olympiad, subscribe this YouTube channel and join our WhatsApp channel. The link of our WhatsApp channel is given in description of this video. If you have any doubt in any question, then you can click on Ask a Doubt button, which is provided in your profile of MOF. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. Now we will discuss the MOF paper solution of class 5th, which was conducted on 29 September 2024. Let's see the question. The question is, which of the following is a compound? Okay, the options are, first is carbon dioxide, second is gold, third is oxygen, and fourth is silver. Okay, gold and silver. both are the metals, or we can say both are present in the elemental form. So the gold and silver is not a compound. Now we will discuss on the oxygen. Oxygen is made up by the oxygen, or we can say if it is present in the O2, then it is in the molecule form, and if we discuss about the single oxygen, then in that condition it is also an element. But when we discuss about the carbon dioxide is CO2, which is formed by the combination of carbon and oxygen. When carbon and oxygen is combined together, then it forms carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide is a compound. Gold, oxygen and silver are not a compound. So the option A is the right option for this question. Now let's see the question. The question is, which of these lead to soil erosion? Okay, so the options are dumping of waste, second is burning of waste, third is growing trees, and the fourth one is cutting trees. Basically, the cutting trees is known as the deforestation, and the deforestation is the main reason of soil erosion. So the option D is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is assertion reason type question, and the question is, assertion statement is, water is known as universal solvent. Yes, water is known as a universal solvent because water is a solvent which is basically dissolve all the substances like solid, liquid and different gases within it, because water have intermolecular spaces between them, or because of that intermolecular spaces, the solute can easily dissolve in the water. So the statement, assertion statement is right statement. Water is known as an universal solvent. Okay, so this is a true statement, or we can say this is a right statement. Now let's see the reason. The reason is it can dissolve number of solids, liquids and gases in it. Yes, this is also a true statement, or we can say that this statement can easily explain the assertion statement. Okay, so now let's see the option. The options are both assertion and reason are the true. Yes, both assertion and reason are true. Water is a universal solvent and it can easily dissolve the number of solids, liquids and gases, and the reason is a correct explanation of assertion. Yes, both the statements are true and reason is a correct explanation of assertion also. So the option A is the right option. Both assertion A and reason are the true, but reason is not a correct explanation of assertion. This is also a wrong option. C, assertion is true and reason is false. This is also wrong. And assertion is false and reason is true. This is also wrong. So the option A is the right option for this question, because the water is a universal solvent and it is easily dissolve the different kinds of the substances like solid, liquid and gas because of their intermolecular spaces. So the option A is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is, match column first with column second and select the correct answer using the codes given below. Okay, now let's see the column first: liquid, gas, solid and melting. Okay, so there are different processes are there, or different phases are there. Now let's see the column second. Molecules have very weak forces of attraction between them. So there are the three types of the substances: solid, liquid and gas. Solids have the strong attraction forces between them, and liquids have the weak attraction, and the gases particles have very weak, or we can say the weakest forces of attraction between them. So in the question, molecule have very weak forces of attraction between them. So the first match with Q, and that is gas. Now let's see the next. Molecule have strong forces of attraction between them. We know that the solid particles or solid molecules have the strong forces of attraction between them. So the second is match with the R, solid. Now next is molecules have weak forces of attraction. Here is the difference. Here is weak and here is very weak. We know that gases have very weak forces of attraction and liquid have weak forces of attraction between them. So the option 3 is matched with P option, and in the last, process of conversion of a solid to liquid state is known as its melting point. So the option 4 is matched with the S option. So P is matched with third, Q is matched with first, R is matched with second, and the S is matched with 4. So 3, 1, 2, 4. 3, 1, 2, 4. It means the option C is the right option for this question. Now, let's see the next question. Paragraph based question. Okay. Now, let's see the paragraph. The paragraph is industries and vehicles are the main sources of air pollution. Burning of garbage also leads to air pollution. Air pollution may cause a number of deadly diseases such as the lung cancer and asthma. Now, industries are a major source of water pollution. Household and industrial waste is released into water bodies which pollute them. Activities such as washing clothes or bathing animals in rivers, especially in the rural areas, also causes the water pollution. Now, let's see the question. The question is, which of these causes air pollution? Okay, now we will discuss the options on options. The option is fuel and energies industries. Fuel and energy industries releases different toxic gases, and because of that toxic gases, air pollution created. So the option A is the right option. Now let's see the next. Next is the asthma. We know that the asthma is a disease which is caused by the air pollution. So it is a disease which is caused by the air pollution. So the option B is the wrong option. Next is dumping waste in rivers. Dumping waste in rivers is a cause of water pollution. So it is also a wrong option. Next is playing loud music and vehicles. So playing loud music vehicles is a causes, or we can say is basically by the playing loud music in vehicles, noise pollution is created. So it is also a wrong option. So the option A is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. This is also the paragraph based question and the paragraph is similar. Now let's see the question. Which of these activities can pollute our water bodies? Okay, now let's see the options. Bathing animals in rivers, yes, it is a cause, or we can say it is an activity. It is an activity which can pollute our water. Next is discharging of sewage into rivers. Yeah, it is also a main reason of the water pollution. We can't able to drink that water, or we can't able to use that water in any household work or in any anywhere. So discharging of the sewage into rivers is also a cause of water pollution. Next, releasing household wastage in the river, this is also a main cause of water pollution. And last is the all of these. So the option D is the right option for this question, because all the activities are involved, or we can say the all activities can pollute our water bodies. So the option D is the right option for this question. Thank you. You can subscribe our YouTube channel and you can join our WhatsApp channel also. And if you have any query, any doubt regarding any question, so you can have one more option, ask the doubt, and all that links are given or provided in the description box. Thank you.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix High School. Today we discuss about Matrix Olympiad paper solution for class 5th. Let's start. Question number first. Which of the following is not a part of human digestive system? Part of human digestive system. Option first, stomach, 2, lungs, small intestine and esophagus. A, C, D present in digestive system, but lungs part of respiratory system. So our right answer is option B. Option B is correct. Next, which of the following cells are involved in the immune response? Immune response. Option first, RBC. Second, platelet. Third, neuron. And last one is WBC. WBC is called soldiers of the cell. Mean to say for defense mechanism. Defense mechanism. So our right answer for this question is option D. Because RBC help in carry oxygen, platelet help in clot formation. Next, neuron carry stimulus and transport impulse to the target site. So, our right answer for related to immune response is WBC. These are called soldiers of the body. Next question is, which organism is used in the preparation of bread and beer? Option first, bacteria. No. Yeast. Yeast mean fungi. Used as beer and bread fermentation, as in fermentation process. Anaerobic respiration process. So, our right answer for this question is option B. Next question is assertion A. Malaria is caused by a bacterium? No. It's caused by a protozoa. Next, malaria is transmitted through the bite of an infected mosquito. That is right. So, assertion A is wrong and our reason is true. According to option and question, last D, assertion A is false and reason R is true. Wrong, and our correct wrong. So, option D is correct option for this question. Next question is, match column first and second. Column first, curd, nitrogen fixation, and common cold and alcohol. Match to column second, curd. Curd is related to lactobacillus, LAB, curd formation. Lactobacillus. Next one is nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation is for rhizobium. Rhizobium found in groundnut roots, and fix the nitrogen, atmospheric nitrogen. Common cold caused by virus, retrovirus. And next, alcohol, formation of beer by yeast, fungus. So, according to this matching, our right answer is 4, 3, that is in option B. Option B is correct answer. Virus, yeast, fungi that use in fermentation, curd, and a small amount of inoculum like LAB, lactic acid bacteria, used in curd formation. That result. Next question, paragraph based question. The digestive system is responsible for breaking down food into nutrients that the body can use for energy, growth, and repair, right? Complex particles break down in simple particle. It start with chewing, then move through esophagus, mean to say food pipe to stomach. That is right. Next, in small intestine, nutrients are absorbed into the blood serum, and while the large intestine absorb water and mineral and some amount of drugs. Related to paragraph, question number first, bile is produced by bile produced by liver and then store at gallbladder and then release into small intestine. So according to question, our right answer is liver. Liver is right answer. Next, nutrient absorption occur mainly in absorption occur in, according to paragraph. Stomach, no. Large intestine, no. Small intestine, mainly in small intestine. So our right answer is small intestine for nutrient absorption mainly. But in mouth, so some nutrients absorbed like drug, and large intestine water and minerals, and stomach only for alcohol. So small intestine correct answer for all nutrients. These are the all solution for class 5th biology. For more update, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Hello students, welcome to the 2024th edition of Matrix Olympiad. So today I am here to discuss about the MOF solution of class 5th part 4 mathematics. So let's start. So first question is that use the drawing of ice cube tray. Each small ice cube section has a base with an area of 20 square centimeter. What is the volume of all the ice cube section in the tray? So here in this question we have given base area of a cube is 20 square centimeter and height of a cube is already given, that is 4. So first we have to find how many cubes are in the tray. So first we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So here number of ice cube are 14. Now we have to find the volume of all the ice cubes. So volume is equal to number of ice cube multiply by volume of one ice cube. So here number of ice cubes are 14 and volume of one ice cubes are base multiply height. So here base, it means the area of base. Now 14 multiply area of base which is given, that is 20, multiply by height which is already given, that is 4 centimeter. If I multiply all these numbers, then I go 14 multiply by 80, that is 1120 centimeter cube. So here our option number D is the correct answer. Now question number 2, this figure is made up of 1 inch cubes. So what is the total number of the figures? So here we have given volume of one cube is, that is 1 inch cube. So volume of one cube is 1 inch cube. Now we have to find the volume of whole figure. So let's start how many cubes are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in a one row we have 7 cubes, multiply column 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 28 number of cubes are over here. So volume is equal to 28 multiplied by 1 inch cube. So volume of whole diagram is equal to 28 inch cube. So option number C is correct. Okay. Now if I talk about next question, some books are placed on a wooden shelf as shown. How many books are perpendicular to the wooden shelf? So here a word perpendicular. So you know what is the meaning of perpendicular? Suppose that when two surfaces are made an angle 90 degree between each other, then these two surfaces are called, these two things are called perpendicular to each other. So here we have count how many number of books are perpendicular to the wooden shelf. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many books are over here? 7. So option number C is the correct answer. If I talk about next question, Sen built a figure using centimeter cubes. The figure is 4 cube height and covers a 12 centimeter by 8 centimeter area of the floor. So what is the volume of the figure. So here we have given height of a cube and base area, that is 12 centimeter by 8 centimeter. So volume is equal to length multiply breadth multiply height. Here length and breadth are called the area of base. So if I multiply over here, so 12 multiply by 8 multiply by 4. So now our answer, if I multiply all these numbers, then I get 384 centimeter cube. So here option number A is the correct answer. So if I talk about next question, Arlita is 2 years younger than Jose. So Arlita is 2 years younger than Jose and Jose is 5 years older than Marisha, who is 9-year-old. So which table could be used to find Arlita's age? So let's understood. Here we have 3 friends. First Arlita, second Jose, and third one is Marisa. But Marisha is old. Marisha age is 9-year-old. And Jose is 5 years older than Marisha. 5 years older का means जो जोस है वो मेरिसा से 5 years बड़ा है. So age of Jose is equal to 9 plus 5. Now if I talk about Arlita, so Arlita is 2 years younger than Jose. So 2 years younger than Jose, it means age of Arlita is equal to 9 plus 5 minus 2. Now age of Marisha is 9-year-old. Age of Jose is equal to 9 plus 5 year. Age of Arlita is 9 plus 5 minus 2. Let's understand which one is the correct option. Age of Marisa 9 year. Age of Jose 9 plus 5. Age of Arlita 9 plus 5 minus 2. All these are correct. So here option number D is the correct answer. Now next question is that Alan and Robin each have a calculator. Alan start at 0 and add 3 each times, while Robin start at 100 and subtract 7 each time. Suppose Alan and Robin press their keys at the same time. After pressing the keys the same number of times, their displays show the same number. So what is the number? So let's start. First Alan start at 0 and add 3 each time. So here Alan add 3 each time. So I can say that Alan is equal to 0 plus 3 of n times. Now if I talk about Robin, so Robin start at 100 and subtract 7 each time. It means minus 777. So I can say that Robin is equal to 100 minus 78. Now question is said that Alan and Robin press the same keys the same time. After pressing the keys of same number of times, they display show the same number. It means the number of Alan and the number of Robins both are same at the end. So I can say that Alan number of Alan is equal to number of Robin, both are same. So here 3n is equal to 100 minus 7n. So if I transfer 7 here, so I can say that 10n is equal to 100. Now n is equal to 10. So what is the number? So a number is, one number is 3n and another number is 100 minus 7n. So I put here value of n is equal to 10. Now 3 multiplied by 10, that is 30. So here the number is 30. So option number B is the correct answer over here. Now if I talk about next question, Latisha and Raquel ordered 2 beverages for rupees 1.50 each, 2 dinners for rupees 12.99 each, and a dessert for rupees 3.50. Which of the following expressions each can be used to find the amount each should pay, not including tax? So here I can say that amount of beverages B is equal to 2 multiplied by 1.50. Now amount of desserts is equal to 3.50. Amount of dinner is equal to 2 multiplied by 12.99. Now we have to convert into the expression. So I can say that 2 multiply 1.50 plus 2 multiply 12.99 plus 3.50. Here all the expressions are divided by 2 because the amount are divided into 2 parts. So here check the answer. 2 multiply 1.50, 2 multiply 12.99 and 3.50 divided by 2. So here option number B is the correct answer. If I talk about next question, Victor and Seki are two friends and both are finding the value of 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2. So who is correct? Let's calculate the value. Now 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2. If I take LCM here, then I get 4. If 4 is divided by 4, then I get 1. 1 is multiplied by 3. So here 3 plus 2 divided by 4 is equal to 2. 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. So here answer is 5 upon 4. So 6 upon 4 and 2 upon 3 answers Victor's and Seki's answer is 5 upon 4. So who is the correct? Victor is wrong and Seki is correct. So here option number B is correct. Now if I talk about next question, Lynette is painting a 15 feet by 10 feet rectangular wall that has a 9 feet by 5 feet rectangular window at its center. So how many square feet of wall space does she need to paint? So we can say that area of paint is equal to area of wall minus area of window. So now area of wall is equal to length multiply breadth minus area of window is also length multiply breadth. So area of wall here 15 multiply 10. So here 15 multiply by 10 minus here length is 9 and breadth is 5. So here 9 multiply by 5. If I multiply both these numbers, then I get 150. Here I get 45. So here answer is 105 feet square. Let's check which one is correct option. Option number C is correct over here. Now if I talk about next question, the table below show the area of a triangle where the height of the triangle stays the same but base change. Now which expressions can be used to find the area of a triangle that has a height of 4 unit and base is n unit? So here we have given a table where base this is and area in this one and height is same. So we know that area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 multiply base multiply height. So here 1 by 2 multiply base which is already given, that is n unit, multiply height which is given already, that is 4 units. Now if I multiply all these numbers, so I get 4n divided by 2. So 4n divided by 2, which option is correct? Option number B is correct over here. Now if I talk about next question, that is Mr. Johnson designed a quilt by outlining equilateral triangles with ribbon as shown in the figure below. So how much ribbon did Mr. Jones use to complete her quilt? So here we have given the length of one ribbon, that is 16 inches. So first we count how many ribbons are required over here. So first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So number of ribbon multiply by length of one ribbon. So here number of ribbons multiply length of one ribbon, that is equal to number of ribbons are over here 19 multiply length of one ribbon, that is given 16 inch. Now if I multiply 19 multiply 16, then I got answer 304 inch. So here option number B is the correct answer. Now next question is that which number is not a common factor of 24 and 36. So here we have to find first factor of 24 and factor of 36. Then we check which one is common and which one is not common. So first we factor of 24. That is 1 is a factor of 24, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. All these are the factors of 24. If I talk about 36, then we can say that 1 is a common factor, 2 is a factor, 3 is a factor, 4 is a factor. I can say that 6 is a factor, I can say that 9 is a factor, I can say that 12 is a factor, I can say that 18 is a factor, I can say that 36 is a factor. So if I compare both these numbers, so I can say that common factor are 1, again 2, again 3, 4, 6, 12 and so here check 2 is a common factor, yes, 12, yes, 6, okay, but 24 is not a common factor. So we can say that option number D is the correct answer over here. Now next question is that if a number has no factor other than 1 and number itself, then the number is called, if suppose that I take a number 3, so factor of 3 is equal to 1 and 3, so 3 are called prime number. So 3 are called prime number. So here option number B is the correct answer. Next question is that what are the factors of 1147 and is it prime number or composite number? So first we have to find the factor of 1147. Let's start. 1147, first we find the factors. So if I divided by directly 31, then I get here 37. If I divided again 37, then I got 1. So factor of 1147 is 1, 31, 37 and last one 1147 number itself. So which one is correct option? So here option number B and option number D both are okay. Now is it a prime number or composite number? So here this one number is composite number, so option number B is the correct answer over here. If I talk about next question, find the measure of angle FGH to the nearest degree. So here we have to find the point F is over here, then point H is over here. So here we have to find this angle. Now let's check 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 102, 130. So here angle is 130 degree. So 130 degree option number A is correct. Now if I talk about the next question, consider the figure shown, which of the following option is true for the given figure. So here BD represent a line segment because it has only one endpoint, but a line segment having two endpoints, so this is wrong. Now next point, AC represents a line because it has two endpoints, but a line having no endpoints, so here already this question, this option is wrong. Now if I talk about C option, BD represents a ray because it has only one endpoint. Now BD, where is B and D? So I can say that it is a ray. Over here we have one endpoint, so option number C is correct over here. Okay. So now next question is that Justin earned rupees 308 by moving loans and ranking leaves for a total of 43 hours. He ranked leaves for 18 hours and earned rupees 108. Arrange the steps below in the correct order and find how much he earned per hour moving loans. So here we have given Justin earned 308 rupees for moving loans and ranking leaves, and total time he take, that is 43 hours. So I can say that total time taken by Justin that is 43 hours. Now we have to first find how many times he take 4 moving loans. So time 4 moving loans, that is total time 43 hours minus time 4 ranking leaves, that is 18 hours. So if I subtract, then I get here 25 hours. Now again in this question we have to given Justin earned total amount 308 rupees for moving loans and ranking leaves. So I can say that total amount is equal to 308 rupees. So amount for moving loans, that is total amount 308 minus 108, which is amount for ranking leaves. So here we get amount 200 rupees. Now we have to find how much he earned per hour for moving loans. So amount he earned per hour. So here total amount for moving loans, that is 200, and time taken by this is 25 hours. So here I get, if I am divided this number, so I get 18 rupees per hour. So like the options. So here first we have find the total time taken by Justin, that is total time number of hours he take for moving loan, that is option number R. So here I can say that option number R is this one. Now next one, we have to find the amount for moving loans. So find the difference between the 308 and the amount Justin he earns. So here option number, this one is option P. Now find the quotient of 200 and remainder Justin, that is step S. So here RPS. So RP, sorry not S, this is called RQS. So here option number D is the correct answer over here. Now next question is that the following steps are involved in finding the area of a circular track with a width of 3 meter, which is laid outside around the playground. The circumference of the playground is 88 meter. Arrange the step in sequential order. So suppose we have given a circular garden and a track that is outside the circular garden. The width of outside the track, that is 3 meter. So let's assume the small r, that is the capital, that is the radius of playground, and capital R, that is the radius of outer including track. So first we have given the circumference of playground, that is 88 meters. So we know the value of circumference, that is 2 pi r is equal to 88. Now here the value of pi is equal to 22 upon 7. So 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by r is equal to 88. Now here we find the value of small r. Small r is equal to 88 multiplied by 7 divided by 22 multiplied by 2. If I solve this calculation, then I get radius, that is 14 meter. Now here we have to find the capital R. Capital R is equal to radius of circular park plus 3 meter. So capital R is equal to 14 plus 3. So here capital R is equal to 17 meter. Now here we have to find the area of the track. So area of track, I can say that area of track is equal to area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. So area of outer circle, that is pi r square, minus area of inner circle, that is pi r square. So here I take pi common, so I can say that r square minus r square. Now using identity, I can say that r plus r, capital R minus r. Now put the value of capital R, that is 17 meter, and put the value of small r, that is 14 meter, and the value of pi is equal to 22 upon 7. Now 17 plus 14, here 17 minus 14. If I calculate this one, so 22 upon 7 multiply, if I add 17 plus 14, so here I get 31 multiply by 3. So if I calculate this number, so I get answer, that is 292.28 meter square. Now if I check this one, so first T, that is 2 pi r is equal to 88. So this one is the step T. And next one, we have find the small r, value of small r and value of capital R. So value of small r and value of capital. So value of small r, that is point P. And next one we find the value of capital R, that is R. Now we find the area of track. So area of track here, this is Q. And last one, that is S. So TPRQS. So TPRQS, option number B is the correct answer over here. Now next question is that assumption a page is 25 centimeter long and 20 centimeter wide. The area of this page is 90 centimeter. So here we have a page in the form of a rectangle, and here we have given length, that is 25 centimeter, and breadth, that is 20 centimeter. So area of rectangle, that is length multiply breadth. So here we have given length, that is 25 centimeter, and breadth, that is 20 centimeter. If I multiply 25 multiply by 20, then I get 500 centimeter square. But in assertion we have given area, that is 90 centimeter. So we can say that assertion is false. Now if I talk about region, the amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure is called area. So suppose that I have an surface and it is enclosed by boundary, so this is called area. So region is true. So assertion is false and region is true. Here option number D is the correct answer. Assertion is false and region is true. Now if I talk about next question, the HCF of 20, 28 and 36 is 2, and reason is the highest common factor of 2 or more given number is the highest of their common factors. So next, first we find the HCF. So HCF of 20, 28 and 36 is, first we take 2, smallest number, then 10, 14, 18, again I take 2, 5, 7, 9. Here I get HCF, it is 4, but in this we have to given HCF is 2, so I can say that assertion is wrong. If I talk about region, the highest common HCF of the 2 or more given number is the highest common factor. Yes, true. So assertion is false and reason is true. So here option number D is correct. Now next question, which of the following statement is are true or false? So a line has no endpoints. Yes, we can say that this one is true. A line extends infinitely only one direction. No, line can be extend on 2 directions. Yeah, suppose that we have a line, I can extend over here and I can also extend over here. So this one is false. A line has 2 endpoints. No. A line has infinitely number of points. Yes, true. So here we have code true, false, false, true. TFFT. So TFFT. So option number A is correct. Now if I talk about next question, which of the following statement is true or false? A factor tree is a diagram which is used to break down a number by dividing it by its factors until all the numbers left are prime number. So let's assume a prime number, that is 3. If I factor, then I get 1 and 3. That is called factor tree. So this one is true statement. A factor of any number or less than the number. No. A factor of a number is less than or equal to the number. So this one is false. Every natural number except 1 has at least 2 factors. Yes, obviously, right? Like if I talk about 2, 2 is the factor of 2 is 1 and 2. So here this one is true. Now fourth, we can find multiple of a number by multiplying it by 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Yes, this one is also true. So I can say that TFTT. So TFTT, option number B is correct over here. Now next question is that which of the following statement is true or false? So first is a farmer who wants to fence his field must find the perimeter of the field. Yes, true. Because if we want to fence, we must find the length of total boundary, and we can find the total length of boundary with the help of perimeter. Find the cost of painting a wall, we need to find the perimeter of the wall. No, that one is false. To find the cost of painting of a wall, we find the area of wall. So that's the reason this is false. If one side of a square is 6 centimeter, then its perimeter is 36 centimeter square. So perimeter of a square, that is 4 multiplied by side. Here we have given side, that is 6 centimeter. So 4 multiplied by 6, that is 24 centimeter. So here 36 centimeter square, that is also false. If I talk about fourth, the perimeter of a closed figure is the same enclosed by its boundary, not perimeter, we can say that area. So this is also false. So T, F, F, F. So here T, F, 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 option number A is the correct answer over here. Now next question is that in the given figure, ABCD is a rectangle and ADEF is a square. The area of triangle ADE is equal to 49 upon 2 square centimeter and CE is equal to 2 times of DE. So first we have given area of triangle ADE, area of triangle ADE, that is 49 upon 2, and I can say that ADEF is a square, so this is also 49 upon 2. Now first option, the perimeter of a square ADEF, the perimeter of a square ADEF. So we know area of square is equal to 49 centimeter square. Now formula of area of square is equal to side square, that is 49 centimeter, then side is 7 centimeter. Now perimeter of square is equal to 4 multiply side. So 4 multiplied by 7 is equal to 28 centimeter. So I can say that P is connected to option number 2. So P is 2, option number only for here 1. Now I can say that option number D is correct. Now next talk about the area of square ADEF, area of square, that is 49 centimeter square. Now option number Q is connected to 4. The perimeter of rectangle ABCD, we have to find the perimeter. So first we have given here, that is 7 centimeter, which is, and also this one is 7 centimeter. Now EC we have to find. Now we can say that EC is equal to 2 times of DE, and DE is 17, so I can say that this one is 14. So perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 bracket length plus breadth. So 2 bracket length, that is 14 plus 7, 21, and breadth, that is 7. So I can say that 2 multiplied by 28, that is 56 centimeter. So here option R is connected to 1 and remaining 1 is connected to C. So here I can say that P is 2, Q is 4, and R is 1, and S is 3. So 2, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, option number D is correct. Now next question is that match column 1 and column 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below. So here we have given column 1 and here we have given column 2. So P, that is 3 multiplied 2 minus 8 divided by 4. We have to solve this with the help of board mass rule. So simple, 3 multiplied 2 minus 2, right? So 3 2 is 6, 6 minus 2, that is equal to 4. So P is connected to third one. Now if I talk about Q, that is 4 divided by 2 plus 3 multiplied by 4. So now if I divide here, so I get 2 plus 4 3 is 12. So here I get 14. So check, Q is connected to 1. If I talk about R, that is 18 minus 9 divided by 3 multiplied by 5. So 18 minus, if I divide here, 3 multiplied by 5. So 5 3 is 15. So 18 minus 15, that is equal to 3. So R is connected to 4. And last one, that is S. So here 72 minus 15 multiply 20 divided by 5. So I divide here. So I can say that 72 minus 15 multiplied by 4. So 15 4 ja 60. So 72 minus 60, that is equal to 12. So check, S is connected to 2. So P is connected to third. So P is connected to third. Q is connected to 1. So Q is connected to 1, not here. So P is connected to third and Q is connected to 1. R is connected to 4 and S is connected to second. So here option number B is the correct answer. Match column 1 with column second and select the correct answer using the codes given below. So here P is HCFO 15 and 25. So first we have to find over here the HCFO 15 and 25. So P option is that ki HCFO 15 and 25. So first we take HCF 50, 25 and 15. So first we take 5, then over here 3 and 5. So HCF of 15 and 25 is 5. So I can say that P is connected to directly 2. Now LCM of 15 and 25. So LCM is 5 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. So if I take over here, then 5 3 ja 15 and 15 5 ja 75. So Q is connected to 1. Now next, our LCM of 16, 20 and 24. Now we take LCM 16, 20 and 24. So first we take 2. Now 2 is divided by 16, 8. Here we get 10 and here we get 12. Now again if I divide by 2, then 4, 5 and 6. If I again divide by 2, then 2, 5, 3. If I divide again 2, then I get 1, 5 and 3. Then now I take 3, 1, 5 and 1. Now last one that I take 5, then 1, 1, 1. Now 5 3 ja 15, 15 2 ja 30, 32 ja 60, 62 ja 120 and 122 ja 240. Now LCM of 16, 20 and 24 is 240. So R is connected to 4. Now we have to find S. S is HCF of 16, 20 and 24. So HCF is 2 multiply by 2. So 2 multiply by 2, that is 4. So S is connected to 3. So here we get 2, 1, 4 and 3. Now check which option is correct. 2, 1, 4, 3. 2, 1, 4, 3. Option number D is correct over here. Now if I talk about next question, that is based on paragraph. So the approximate cycle for the appearance of cicadas and tent caterpillar are shown. So suppose the peak cycle of 17-year cicada and the tent caterpillars coincide in 1998. So what is the next year they will coincide? So I can say that the life cycle of 17-year cicada is 17 year. I can say that the life cycle of tent caterpillar is 6 year. Now I take LCM. So LCM 17 year, 6 year, that is 102 year. Now I can say that the next year they will coincide is equal to 1998 plus 102. So I can say that 2100. So here 2100, option number B is correct. Now if I talk about next question, which is also based on same paragraph, the approximate cycle of the appearance of cicadas and tent caterpillar are shown. Okay. Suppose the peak cycle of the all three insects coincides the last year, how many times a year will they pass before they will coincide again? So again I can say that 13 life cycle of 13-year cicada, that is 13 year. I can say that life cycle of 17-year cicadas, that is 17 year. Again I can say that the life cycle of tent caterpillar, that is 6 years. Now I take LCM of all these years. Now 13, 17 and 6. So I get answer 1326 year. So option number A is correct over here. Now if I talk about next question, which is also based on paragraph, the fish tank shown in the field to a height of 15 inch. So here we have given a fish tank. Now we have to find how much water is currently in the tank. So we have to find the how much water are currently in the tank. So fish tank is like a cube. So I can say that the volume of cube, that is length multiply breadth multiply height. Here height, which is for we use for water, so height of water. So length, that is 34 inch and breadth, that is 18 inch and height, which is given 15 inch. If I multiply all these numbers, then I get answer is 9180 cubic meter. So option number B is correct over here. If I talk about next question, which is again based on paragraph. So here the fish tank shown in filled to a height of 15 inch of water. So we can say that the height of water in this diagram is 15 inch. So now we have to find how much more water could be the tank hold before it overflowed. So we can say that the remaining part, we have to find the volume of remaining part. So I can say that volume of remaining part is equal to volume of tank minus volume of water. So here I use capital letters for volume of tanks and I use small letters for volume of water. So I can say that length multiply breadth multiply height minus length multiply breadth multiply height. So here length of tank is 34, breadth of tank, that is 18 inch, multiply by height of tank, that is 22 inch, minus again length of tank, that is 34, multiply breadth of tank, that is 18, multiply height of water which is filled, that is 15 inch. So I can say that 15 inch. So if I take common 34 18 from both sides, then I can say that 34 multiply by 18 bracket 22 minus 15. So here I can say that 34 multiply by 18 multiply by 7. So if I multiply all these numbers, then I get 4284 inch cube. So check which option is correct. 4284, option number D is the correct answer over here. So if you enjoy the video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. We are here to discuss the solution of Matrix Olympiad paper of class 5th reasoning conducted on 29 September 2024. Hope you performed very well. So let's get started. So question number 51. Look at this series. What number should come next? So find the next number of the given series. So according to question, we have alternate series in this question. It means we have two number series. So first number series is 7, next is 8, after 8 next is 9, after 9 next is missing. And second number series is 10, 11 and 12. 10, 11 and 12. So find the missing term of the given series. So 7 to 8, it means plus 1. Now 8 to 9, it means again plus 1. Similarly, 9 plus 1, it means 10. 9 plus 1, it means 10. So it means 10 is the next term of the given series. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 52. Find the missing term of the given series. So series is S, C, D, T, E, F, U, G, H and next is missing. After missing, next is term is W, K, L. So in this question, choose the first letter of each term. So first letter of the each term. So first letter series is S. Now first letter of the second term is T. First letter of the third term is U. Next term is missing. And first letter of the fifth term is W. So place value of S is 19. Place value of T in English alphabet is 20. Place value of U is 21. And place value of W is 23. So 19, 20, 21 and missing number is 22. So it means 22. It means V because place value of V is 22 in English alphabet. So here first missing alphabet of the missing term is V. Now second alphabet series. So choose the second letter of each term. So second letter of each term is C, E, G. Next is missing. Next is missing. After missing, next is K. Second alphabet of each term. So place value of C is 3. Place value of G is 5. Place value of G is 7. Next is missing. And place value of K, it means 11. 3 to 5, it means plus 2. 5 to 7, it means again plus 2. Now similarly, 7 plus 2, it means 9. It means 9. Now 9 plus 2, it means 11. So 9, it means I. Because place value of I is 9. So second letter of the missing term is I. V-I. Now choose the third letter of each term. So third letter of each term is D, F, H. Next is missing. After missing, next is L. So place value of D is 4. Place value of F is 6. Place value of H is 8. And place value of L is 12. So 4 plus 2, it means 6. Now 6 plus 2, it means 8. Similarly, 8 plus 2, it means 10. Now 10 plus 2, it means 12. So 10, it means J. Because place value of J in English alphabet is 10. So third letter of the missing term is J. So VIJ is the missing term of the given series. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. So now next question is question number 53. Choose the alternative which is closely resemble the voter image of the given combination. So find the voter image of given combination. In the voter image question, the voter is always at the bottom of the object. So first find the voter image of G. So voter image of G, something like this. Now voter image of R looks something like this. Now voter image of 9 looks something like this. And find the voter image of 8. And this is the voter image of A, voter image of P. Now voter image of 7 and voter image of 6. Now voter image of E and voter image of S looks something like this. So this is the voter image of given combination. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. Now let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 54. Which of the answer figure is exactly the mirror image of the given question figure when the mirror is held at XY? So XY is the mirror. So it means here is mirror. So in the mirror image questions, the part of an object which is near to the mirror, so it will remains near to the mirror in the mirror image. So this part of the image will remains near to the mirror in the mirror image, and the part of an object which is away from the mirror, so it will remains away from the mirror in the mirror image. So this part of the mirror of the image will away from the mirror in the mirror image, and this part will look something like this. Okay, so this is the correct mirror image of the given figure. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. Now move on to the next question. So now question number 55. In a row of 60 person, Ganesh is 26th place from the left hand. Find out his position from the right hand. So given is total number of person. Total number of person is 60 and position of Ganesh from the left hand is 26th. Now find out the position of Ganesh from the right hand. Find out the position of Ganesh from the right hand. So position from the right hand is total minus position from the same person from the left hand plus 1. So total number of person is 60 minus position of Ganesh from the left hand is 26 plus 1. So 26 plus 1, 26 plus 1, it means 60 minus 25. 60 minus 25, it means 35. So it means position of Ganesh from the right hand is 65th. So here option A is the correct answer of this question. Now let's move on to the next question. Now question number 56. If A means plus, if A means plus, B means minus, B means minus, C means divided by, and D means multiply. So now find the value of given expression. So 18, A, what is the meaning of A? A means plus 12. C means divided by 6. D it means multiply by 2. And B means 5. B means minus 5. So you apply the BODMAS rule. So 18 plus, first divide the numbers. So 12 divided by 6, it means 2. Now multiply by 2 minus 5. 18 plus, now multiply the numbers. 2 into 2, it means 4 minus 1. 18 plus 4, it means 22 minus 5. 22 minus 5, it means 17. So value of given expression is 17. So here option D is the correct answer of this question. Now let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 57. If multiply stand for addition, multiply means plus. Now divide stand for subtraction, and plus stand for multiplication, and minus stands for division. Now find the value of given expression. So 20 multiply, it means plus 8. Now divide it means minus 8. Now minus, it means divided by 4. Now plus means multi. Now multiply by 2. So using the BODMAS rule in this expression, so first divide the numbers. So 20 plus 8 minus 8 divided by 4. 8 divided by 4, it means 2. It means 2. Multiply by 2. Now multiply the numbers. So 20 plus 8 minus 2 into 2, it means 4. So 20 plus 8, it means 28 minus 4. So 28 minus 4, it means 24. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. So now next question is question number 58. Find out from amongst the 4 alternatives as to how the pattern would appear when the transparent sheet X is folded at the dotted line. When we fold this transparent sheet along the dotted line, then this image will look something like this. So it means option D is the correct answer of this question. Now let's move on to the next question. So question number 59. find out from amongst the 4 alternatives as to how the pattern would appear when the transparent sheet X is folded at the dotted line. According to this question, this transparent sheet, when we fold along the dotted line, then this transparent sheet will look something like this. Then this transparent sheet will look something like this when we fold transparent sheet along the dotted line. So it means option D is the correct answer of this question. So now let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 60. A man walks 5 km towards south and then turns to the right. After walking 3 km, he turns to the left and walks 5 km. Now, in which direction is he from the starting point? Before starting this question, we should know there are 4 types of direction. One is north, this is east, this is south, and this is the west. And there are 4 types of cardinal direction. This is the northeast, this is the southeast, and this is the southwest, and this is the northwest. So according to question, a man walks 5 km towards south. A man walks 5 km towards south. So A is the starting point of the man. Now he turns to the right. So this is the right of the man. Now he turns to the right. After walking 3 km, he turns to the left. And walks another 5 km. Now in which direction? Let's suppose B is the end point of the man. Now in which direction is he from the starting point? This is the south of the starting point and this is the west of the starting point. And now find the direction. Now find the direction of B with respect to A. So B is in southwest of the starting point. So here option D is the correct answer of this question. So we have finished the solution. I hope you understood very well. And if you have any query and doubt regarding the solution, please log in the website and click ask the doubt option and write your doubt there. And any new information related to Matrix Olympiad will be updated on this YouTube channel. So please subscribe the channel for more updates, and you can also have new updates on our WhatsApp channel. To join, click on the links provided in the description box. So thank you so much for being here. Have a good time.